Welcome to Uter Coaching. First rhyme's name: Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. We want to go outside and play. Come again some other day. Second rhyme's name: Ringa, ringa, roses. Ringa, ringa, roses. Pocket full of purses. Husha, busha, we all fall down. Third rhyme's name: Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-O, E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-O, E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-O, E-I-O. Fourth rhyme's name: Ding dong bell. Ding dong bell pushes at the well. Who took her there? Little Johnny here. Who will bring her in? Little Tommy Thin. What a jolly boy was that, to get some milk for Pussycat, who never did any harm, but played with the mice in his father's barn. Fifth rhyme's name: Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. One halfpenny, two halfpenny. Hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. One halfpenny, two halfpenny. Hot cross buns. And sixth rhyme's name: Chubby chicks. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. If you like today's video, then like, share and subscribe the channel.